welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review. Also, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, this makeup tutorial should definitely be posted before this wig review. So as you're watching this, the makeup tutorial for this look is on my page right now, so go ahead and go over and watch that after you watch this video to see how I got this makeup look. Alright, so let's get into this wig review. This is the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today. It is a headband wig, and I wore it one time. I like to wear certain wigs first before I do the review just to see how it wore, because obviously when you take a wig out the package, it's gonna be great, honey. It's gonna be great when you take it out the package, and it's gonna look amazing when you do the review for the first time you took it out the package. So sometimes I just like to wear them to see, you know, how they wear and if they tangle a lot. And honey, I wore this wig one time and it tangled up on me so much, like an entanglement. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. It doesn't matter if I bought the wig myself or if it was sent to me, and this wig was sent to me, but it don't matter. I'm gonna tell y'all what it is. Like, this wig was very tangled the first wear, but when you brush it out, it's so like luxurious and thick. This is one of the thickest headband wigs that I have, but it just tangles so bad, and I'm like, dang, if it didn't tangle so bad, it would be like 5 stars. This is not a wig that I would wear every day. This is a wig that I would wear for makeup looks, for videos and pictures, because if I was to wear it every day, like in public, I would have to always carry a brush with me, and who really desires to carry a brush with them everywhere they go to just brush their hair, like every time, you know, every time you got to get out the car just to make sure it don't look all tangled and crazy in public, you know what I'm saying? But you see how thick and luxurious it is, and like how much body it has. Like, it looks perfect. But honey, when I wore it that one time, like, you can hear it. Like, even if I was to like throw this wig down and not really take care of it and like brush it every day, it would just be a tangled mess. Like, when I brushed it, this is how much hair has come out of it so far that I'm able to catch on camera. So yeah, so I'm just touching on my edges now just to like refresh them a little bit. Like, you see how thick it is? You see how thick and like how much body and how luxurious it is? Yeah, but it tangles like crazy. So now I'm just gonna put this regular black headband on it. I'm just gonna spray some water. So I just did that to get the hair out of my face, like to make sure that the hair stays out of my face, because I get really annoyed with stuff like that, like when the hair gets in my face and then it swipes across my face, my lip gloss, and then my lip gloss is on my face, you know, it's just really annoying. However, you can find this wig on Amazon. The company name is Deethens, and the description to find this wig would be Deethens long wavy headband wig, and it is synthetic hair, easy wear headband wig for daily party use, and it is 24 inches. And this is the picture that they advertised. Kind of feel like Rapunzel with his hair, but more like nappy Rapunzel because it be tangling. It be tangling. But this concludes the wig review, and again, this makeup look is on my channel, so go check it out to see how I created this look, and I will see you in my next video. And of course, I will encourage y'all to pray, because this world is crazy, and I pray protection over you and your family, and I encourage you to talk to God daily, because I know for me, I want to know what God has to say to me, and I want to know God's will for me. Like, I want to stay in God's safety, because it's very dangerous in this world. There's so many things going on. The devil is busy, but of course so is God. God has all power. He is omnipotent, he is omniscient, he is omnipresent, he is everything, okay? Don't be scared of the devil. So stay prayed up, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Until my next video, stay strong in the Lord, be encouraged, and be good to yourself, be good to your body, be good to those around you, treat people around you how you want to be treated, like literally, for real, because we reap what we sow, and we don't want to be sowing no bad seeds into the ground, okay y'all? All right, until next time, God bless y'all. Bye.